No, Scout. Nope. Come here. Be nice. Everybody play nice. Sweet boys. That's my boys. I like Scouty and Benny being nice to each other. Thanks, Ben Ben. No, Scout. No, you better get up there before you get in trouble. Get off my shoe. Good job. Can't chew on shoes, Scouty. We don't chew on shoes. You mad about that? Are you mad? Only bad boys chew up shoes. Don't you do it. Ha ha. No. I hear you, Franny. Scout, no. No, Benson. No rings. You boys are about to get it. Scout, no. Come here. Step up. No, don't give me lips. Step up. Come on. Step up. No. No shoes. If you guys don't step, I'm gonna go inside. You have to play outside all by yourself. No, Benny. Scout is sneaking into my shoes. Scout, I still see you. Alright, that's it. I'm going inside. You guys have to play all by yourself now. Go on. Go up to your tree. Come on, Ben. That means you almost died. You too, Benson. Hi, bird. Go to your tree. Yes. You guys be nice to your sister. Hey, Fifi. You're not gonna, are you? Come on. Come on, baby.